Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see how to make creamy broccoli chicken, which is one pan quick and easy dinner recipe and tastes too good to resist. And this yummy recipe is best to enjoy with herb rice or pasta. So friends, let's get started with the recipe. And for this recipe, I've taken here one chicken breast cut lengthwise, and now I'm going to season it with 1/4 teaspoon of salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of paprika powder. Now mix everything well over the chicken pieces, and we will keep this aside for a while. And here I have taken one broccoli cut into medium sized florets, and I have blanched them for 1 to 2 minutes for faster cooking. Next, heat a pan, and into it we'll be adding around 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And when the oil is hot, we will add the chicken strips, and on medium flame we will saute them until they turn golden brown. Keep on flipping the chicken slices in between so that they turn evenly golden brown from both the sides. And once the chicken slices are well cooked and have turned brown, we will add the blanched broccoli florets, and on medium flame we will saute them for another 1 to 2 minutes. And these are done now, so I will transfer them to a plate. And now in the same pan, I will drizzle a teaspoon of olive oil and a small cube of butter. Let the butter melt completely. And as the butter melts, we will add some minced garlic. I have used here 3 large garlic pods and half of a small onion which has been finely chopped. And we will saute them until they turn golden brown in color. And now we need to add 1 tablespoon of refined flour, and on medium flame we will saute this well until it's well combined and turns aromatic. And now time to add some milk gradually while stirring it well so that we get a lumps-free smooth white sauce. And on medium flame we will keep on stirring the sauce until it thickens slightly. And by now the sauce has turned thick. And to make our sauce rich and creamy, I'm going to add 200 ml of fresh cream. Mix this well. And now we'll quickly season this sauce with 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, and half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now give this a mix. And now time to add lots of cheese, which is my favorite. Adding here some grated Gouda cheese and some grated parmesan cheese. Adding cheese will make our creamy broccoli chicken more cheesy, yummy and creamy. Now mix the cheese well until it's combined with the sauce. This looks yum. And now time to add our sautéed chicken and broccoli into our creamy and cheesy sauce. Mix them well with the sauce, and we will let them simmer in the sauce for just 1 to 2 minutes. This looks so creamy and delicious, and our dish is now ready to be served hot. And here goes our creamy broccoli chicken, which is not just delicious but also quick and easy to make. So friends, do try this recipe and enjoy with pasta or herb rice. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and please Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet for more yummy and interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.